Hello and welcome to Home Decor Haul, a dedicated YouTube channel for your dream home requirements. If you have any query, please mention it at comment section. In this video, you shall see chair cover style ideas. For more ideas, please click I button link above the video screen. If you are new to my channel, subscribe for regular updates. Chair covers and decoration can transform standard furniture into something exquisite. Add to your event aesthetic with these stunning ideas and examples. Ugly chairs can ruin the effects of your event. Where areas spruced up seating can help make an impact. Chair covers and other decoration can transform the furniture provided by the venue and saves having to hire inexpensive. Funky furniture. Here are some stunning examples and different options you can try to pimp your event setting. We bet you won't believe how many options there are to inspire you. Chair covers look complex with artistically created fabrics draping tied together at the back. With a bit of creative trying, you can create this interesting effect. Even with ivory linen, this makes an impact. Hoods are stunning and easy way to decorate chairs. They are simple but effective and can be adapted to any color scheme, and the ruffled floral tie brings it all together nicely. Simple colored bows transform simple white chair covers and creates a clean effect which can be perfectly in keeping with your event color theme. I hope this video will help you to get better ideas to decor your chairs. For latest updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.